Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off shadow effects in T3 Arena. If you want to improve performance, reduce lag or boost FPS on low to mid-range devices, disabling shadows can make your gameplay smoother without affecting core visuals. So first of all, launch Open T3 Arena on your device, and once you're inside this page, click on the menu button at the top right corner. From the expanded menu, click Options. Under Options, click on Graphics on the left. Now once you open up the Graphics tab, you will see Shadow option. Make sure that it is turned off. After you make sure it's turned off, you will then be disabling Shadow effect on T3 Arena. The game will now render without shadows, improving FPS and performance. You can now enter a match or practice mode to check the performance. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.